Welcome to this video on how to read electrical single-line diagrams, which are essential skills for electricians and MEP engineers. A single-line diagram, or SLD, is a logical roadmap. It's a simplified schematic representing a complex three-phase power system, using one line to denote the entire circuit path. SLDs act as a standard language for installation, troubleshooting, and safety. The power flow sequence moves from generation, which is the utility grid or an on-site generator source, to transformation, where voltage is stepped up or down via transformers. This is followed by distribution through switchgear and finally utilization by loads like motors and lighting. Common power source symbols include the utility grid connection, the step-down transformer, and the main isolation point. Protection device symbols include the circuit breaker, which is essential for overcurrent protection. The disconnect indicates a point of physical isolation. The fuse link provides sacrificial protection for sensitive loads. Distribution arteries, or busbars, are labeled with ratings, fault levels, and material. Cable annotations indicate the size, conductor material, insulation type, armor, and sheath. A few key technical notations include kVA for apparent power rating, Ka for short circuit rating, PTVT for potential transformers, and CT for current transformers. Electrical SLDs are strictly read from top to bottom. The top represents the power grid or incoming supply, and as you move down, you reach distribution and final loads. Always verify the key plan or legend before tracing any circuit. When reviewing protection, look for ANSI device numbers near breakers to understand their trip functions. Interlocking is shown by dotted lines, meaning both cannot close at once. Metering points use A and V symbols. Phase notations like 3P plus N plus E confirm the cable configuration. A practical checklist for the site includes checking the revision number to ensure you are using the latest drawing. Identify the main incoming supply to know where to isolate power safely and match the asset ID on the SLD with the physical label on the panel. Safety is paramount, and the SLD is your primary tool for lockout-tagout procedures. Trace the circuit on the SLD back to the isolation point. Verification against physical cabling is 100% required to prevent accidental energization.